Next we're going to close our shoulder seams, and then we're going to put the collar on. Put the front over the top, put your shoulders on top of each other, and then we're going to sew them together with a centimeter seam allowance. Now we're going to iron the seams apart with a lot of steam. You can also iron it from the top again, just because you're there. And we're also going to iron over the facing now. So I'm going from my snip and then iron over evenly along the edge of my interfacing.